Hey, how's it going, guys? Mickey here. You see that little thing right there? That's a dishwasher. And guess what? That dishwasher needs repair. So I think that I am the man for that job, to give that good dishwasher a fixing. What do you reckon? Yeah. I know you guys love how I fix stuff, don't you? Yeah. Anyway, I think I'm going to show you guys how to repair this thing. It stopped working I don't know, a few weeks ago. So we pulled it out, and the guys were like, "Hey Mick, can you fix this dishwasher for us?" I'm like, yeah, just stick it around the back. I'll fix it. So yeah, I think it's time to see what I can do for it. Alrighty. So, yep. Looks pretty good in there. Can't see any problems. It locks and closes pretty good. So just check the back. Oh yeah. Yep. Yep. I can see the problem. It needs to be elevated. So let's elevate this thing. Much better. Yep. Oh, look at that. Woo. She elevated. Look at that. Perfect. She's going to work a treat now. Look, you can even see the motor. There's the motor right there. Look at it. Oh, bloody good. Anyway. Oh, hang on. Yep, I think I'm going to have to give it a little tweak. So just bear with me while I set up the tweak, okay? We're going to give it another tweak, I reckon. So, yeah, let's get to it. There. She's fixed. Nothing better than fixing a dishwasher like that. Well, there's the aftermath of her. I'd say that's a repair job well done, don't you? Because, you know, I can get to all the internals now. And so if anything's broken, I can fix it real easy now. So, you know, if you guys want anything fixed, you just let me know. Anyway, guys. So that's dishwasher repair 101. I love fixing things. So just watch out, because there's going to be a lot more videos of me fixing stuff. You know, lots of stuff breaks, lots of stuff needs to get fixed. So I'm going to fix everything, I'll tell you. But anyway, as usual, my friends, I love making the vids for you. It's good fun. What I want you to do is put in the comments. Maybe there's something you want me to fix. So I'll give it a good fixing. And as usual, do me a favor, give me a like, subscribe, share the hell out of this, put it everywhere, because I want to do more for you. But I don't want to do more if it don't get shared, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, had a ball. There's the dishwasher all fixed back there. Like, it looks great, doesn't it? So yeah, like I said, in the comments, if there's something you want me to fix up for you, and I will. But I really appreciate yous. Love yous all. Peace, guys.